Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to get started with Crunchyroll. First, navigate to Crunchyroll.com and select the Start Free Trial button. You will then need to choose a premium plan, either monthly or yearly. I recommend selecting the annual option to save 16% on your subscription. Next, pick the specific tier you prefer, such as the Fan or Mega Fan package. Keep in mind that these options come with a 7-day free trial. Click on your preferred choice to continue. You can decline any non-essential cookies at this stage. Now, enter your email address and set a password in the provided boxes. Once those details are in, click Create Account. You must now select a payment method, choosing between PayPal or a credit and debit card. After making your selection, input your card number, expiration date, security code, and your country and postal code. With all the information entered, simply click Finish Checkout. Please wait while the transaction is processed and avoid refreshing or exiting the page. You have now successfully upgraded to a Crunchyroll fan account. Click Take Me Home to begin watching your favorite content. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more guides. See you next time.